welcome back to our channel. Before we proceed, if haven't done so, please subscribe, like and comment. Today, we are visiting Reykjavík, the capital and largest city of Iceland. Today, we're exploring the heart of the city on foot. The weather wasn't great when we visited, with low clouds and light rain giving the city a moody, gloomy feel. Downtown Reykjavík is compact, colorful, and easy to explore, with bright buildings lining the streets and small details everywhere you look.
So wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way. Yeah, wait for me to come home, I'm already on my way.
And then there's Hallgrímskirkja, Reykjavík's most iconic landmark. Rising above the city skyline, it's the largest church in Iceland and one of the most recognizable buildings in the country. Its design was inspired by Iceland's basalt lava columns, which gives it that dramatic, almost otherworldly shape. It also took more than 40 years to build, so there's a lot of history behind it as well. We went inside the church and then made our way to the top of the tower, where we were rewarded with incredible views over Reykjavík. Even under grey skies, the city looked amazing from above, with its colorful rooftops, surrounding coastline, and mountains in the distance. Out front stands the statue of Leif Erikson, the Viking explorer believed to have reached North America long before Columbus. Even with the rain and the gloomy weather, Reykjavík has a unique atmosphere that really stays with you.